My name is Farai Makiwa. I'm the provincial pediatrician for Manicaland province, currently based here at Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital. And the reason we're here is to just say thank you to the people who have donated towards the painting of our playroom and part of our children's ward, so that it becomes a bit more of a child-friendly space. All right. Okay. So we also most of the furniture and what we had was quite old and dated, and we received donations towards our beds. We also needed wall-mounted heaters, particularly in our malnutrition unit, and we also received, I think, our monitors, isn't it? We also got donations for some of our monitors. If the old furniture that we had was broken down, chipped, and just had the ambience wasn't really very nice. But now that they've given us new things, it makes the place even friendlier for the staff to work. It makes it more welcoming for the mothers, even for the children, so that it doesn't really feel like an institution, though it's an institution, but at least it feels a bit more warm. It also feels like it's a place, a home away from home. That's sort of like what we're aiming towards. Psychological well-being might improve, but what we actually do need more than that is consistent medication. Some of the things might not be available. Sometimes we have to ask our parents to purchase some of the things that they need. So we would need that. Some of the things, particularly emergency drugs, they're always there to definitely improve the outcome of our patients.